Today we're featuring a 2015 Lexus RX350. It's got 29,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. It's mineral gray metallic in color. First thing we notice, it's got the front sonar or front park assist. All right, we'll make our way down the driver's side with the turn signals in the mirror. Nice chrome trim piece down here. Everything's in really good shape going down the driver's side. It also is equipped with the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Everything looks good there. Passenger side looks good. Overall, it's in great shape. Really nice mineral gray paint. It's going to have all the bells and whistles that you'd like to have on a car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Alright, black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. It's got memory driver's seat. Alright, power locks, power windows. It's got the nice WeatherTech floor mats in here. Black cloth, power driver's seat. The leather looks great. It is equipped with the sunroof. Okay, it's got your ventilated and heated seats. I'll go ahead and get the key fobs out here and lay them out. Alright, it does come with the key fob. Passenger seat leather is in great shape. Alright, automatic, dual climate controls, CD player, push button start. Your display is going to be up here and we'll show you that in a second. And you will control that display down here with your mouse. Alright, it's got navigation too. We can see the map button over here and I'll show you that. Leather wood wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth steering wheel audio controls. It's got your blind spot monitoring system and a power liftgate. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 29,351 miles. Alright, now that we've got the RX350 started, I'll go ahead and go over everything again with you here. Alright, but here's your display. Go ahead and get your navigation brought up. Alright, go ahead and engage your backup camera. Alright, then we'll get you back to the menu screen. And as you can see, everything moving around here is controlled by this mouse down here. Really cool feature. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Door panel looks good. Carpet back here is in good shape. Black leather seats back here also very well taken care of. Go ahead and pull this down. Alright, got your console here with your cup holders. Okay. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything's laid out really nicely in this Lexus. Really nice car. It's got 29,000 miles on it. You can still smell the leather. Still smells like a brand new car. It's been well taken care of. Power liftgate. As you can see, nice and smooth coming up. It also has the WeatherTech liner back here as well. It's got your shade. Okay, and I'll stand to the side, let you see the depth. Lots of storage back here. Alright, and it's got these really cool handles. Pull the handle. Alright, the seats are going to go down for you. Just that easy. Alright, and the seat belt's making this one stick right here, but we can get the idea. It just goes right down. You can really see how much that opens it up back there. Alright, to engage the lift gate. Alright, nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see what we got here. We have 19-inch alloys. Alright, Michelin tires. Alright, still a good bit of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Lexus RX350. Alright, it's got 29,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. This thing's beautiful on the inside and on the outside.
Come to the sales office, please. Lamont Stevenson to the sales office.
It's been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.